Hey guys, it's good to be back again. We got another unboxing. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm actually editing a few videos at the moment, so yeah, much needed break again. Dealing with a bunch of stuff, but you didn't come here to hear about that. But I'm trying to make videos again, and I got a bunch of products coming on the way, so I kind of have to. I can't be lazy. So you can already tell by the title of the video. This is the OnePlus Nord N30. I'm pretty psyched about this for a few reasons. Mainly because the price on this phone, this is not a flagship phone, and I haven't really done non-flagship phone videos, so I'm pretty psyched about that. And I actually like the design on this phone. I think it looks pretty cool. The main thing I want to know is whether this will perform close to the OnePlus 11, which is the review I'm working on right now. You're paying a lower price, so you kind of shouldn't expect it. But I'm really excited because I feel like the non-flagship phones have gotten so good that they're probably almost as good as the flagships and good for like 90% of people out there. And that's kind of the thing I'm looking for when I'm doing the testing on this thing. I've never owned a OnePlus Nord phone yet. Let's look at this thing. And I am quite excited to see what's in here. Here we go. Box on the side. Greeted with what I think is the packet and information. Yep, just like all the other unboxings you're gonna see. This is very similar to the OnePlus 11 box. So, it was odd. This thing's like attached to the front because you had to get the booklet sideways. That's okay. Well, all right. I'm not complaining here. OnePlus card here. Paperwork. Hey, congratulations thing going on here. I don't know if this is a sticker or not. It looks like a sticker. And then my favorite part, the SIM eject tool. I love when they give these for free. I like collecting them. They're pretty cool. Let's take the phone out. Oh, already the phone comes out. This little slit of paper comes out that's dividing the back. Look at this charger, it's gigantic. Let's see if we can figure out how much power is on this thing. OnePlus's classic red charger. It is a USB-C to USB-A. So if you do have the OnePlus 11, for some reason you have both of these, you can use the same chargers because this is the same thing. The previous flagship OnePluses was USB-C to USB-C. So now the OnePlus 11 charger is A to C, and this one's A to C as well. So I don't know why they're going back to A, but yeah. And now for this, ooh, this one, the paper's a little loose. I guess it just slides out the bottom. Okay, just slides out the bottom. And there it is. The OnePlus Nord comes in one color, and it is this very dark green color. It's actually green. Even the side rails are green. You can see that in the light. It's green. But yeah, and it's light. And I thought it was gonna be tiny. This is a pretty big phone. This is a gigantic phone. Like this phone, look at that. This is an S23 Ultra. It's in that territory of big boy phones. Right off the bat, I like the weight. I can tell that the materials are gonna be more plastic than metal, but it's actually, you know, it's nice. It's a nice weight. As long as it's durable, it doesn't really matter to me if it's metal, because it's a light phone, so that's pretty nice about it. Or would I prefer aluminum? Yeah, but it's not a big deal. I like the weight. So right here we have the power button / fingerprint scanner. Yep, you can click it. It has a very nice clickiness to it. Sounds great. It's on the right side of the phone. On the top, it sounds like we got a microphone up here on the very top. Microphone. Here we got the SIM tray right here on the left, and the volume up and down. Pretty clicky. I like the sound of that. I like when it makes a sound. It's nice and tactile, not too flush. Comes out the right amount. You won't lose it. And at the bottom we got a microphone again, speaker, and special recipe of non-flagships, we got the headphone jack. It's fun to see headphone jacks on phone models these days, and that's no exception. Now on the back, we have the logo, the OnePlus logo, and we have a gigantic set of lenses. But so far, I'm looking forward to testing this out and using it. And that has been the OnePlus Nord